thought our off-road two-stroke video series was done, we hit you with a brand new episode featuring the 2017 Gas 300. The last couple years have actually been a little bit rocky for Gas as a company overall, but they were recently bought by Tarot, a company that is known for making electric bikes, and they have a long-term plan to make a big impact in the United States. The 2017 model features Marzocchi front forks and a Reiger rear shock. For stopping power, the Gas uses Galfer rotors front and rear with Nissan braking components. It features an electric start, has Moto Tassinari V-Force reeds, and is fed by a Kian carburetor. The wheels featured a polished aluminum hub, black spokes, silver nipples with a black Tagasako Excel rim, and have Metzler 6-day Extreme Edition tires front and rear. The bike also comes stock with a Trailtech digital computer, handguards, a headlight, an FMF slip-on, a Regina O-ring chain, and a plastic skid plate. For the in-depth test, check out the September issue of Dirtbike magazine, and as always, check out dirtbikemagazine.com for the latest off-road industry news. If you've missed the rest of our off-road two-stroke video series, click now to see the playlist. Come on.